Baby Reindeer is a gripping web series that delves into the complexities of trauma, obsession, and self-discovery. The series revolves around a man who finds himself entangled in a disturbing situation when he becomes the target of a female stalker. As the story unfolds, viewers are taken on a suspenseful journey as the protagonist confronts not only the external threat, but also his own dark, buried trauma. One of the standout aspects of Baby Reindeer is its exploration of psychological themes. The series skillfully portrays the impact of trauma on an individual's psyche, highlighting the ways in which past experiences can resurface unexpectedly and shape present behavior. Through intense and often unsettling moments, the audience is invited to empathize with the protagonist's internal struggles and unravel the layers of his character. The character development in Baby Reindeer is another strong point. The protagonist's evolution from a seemingly ordinary person to someone grappling with profound emotional turmoil is depicted with nuance and depth. The supporting cast also contributes significantly to the narrative, adding layers of intrigue and complexity to the story. In terms of storytelling, Baby Reindeer maintains a tense and suspenseful atmosphere throughout its episodes. The pacing is well executed, keeping viewers engaged and eager to uncover the mysteries surrounding the protagonist and his stalker. The series effectively blends psychological drama with elements of thriller, creating a compelling narrative that keeps audiences on the edge of their seats. Overall, Baby Reindeer is a thought-provoking and immersive web series that tackles sensitive themes with sensitivity and skill. It's a must. Watch for fans of psychological drama and suspenseful storytelling.